there, and the most valuable asset Gunderson had is the people. Being part of the team, part of the workforce we have down here, and being able to share in the successes.
When you teach somebody with your, from the bottom of your heart, they feel it, and they felt that, and they'll give it back to you 100%.
I'm able to talk to different personnel, exchanging a lot of knowledge. I'm able to express my feeling and my concern, and actually see being resolved.
It's like no job is less important as the other. It takes all of us to get the train out the door.
I like to know that people can count on me. When somebody asks me to do something, I do it right then.
Everybody's working together for the same end goal, so to speak.
Always been a hands-on kind of guy. I like to take something that's nothing and make it everything when I'm done.
When you see raw material come to you, it's all rusted and, mill scale everywhere.
It's amazing to see something start from a stack of plate of steel out in the yard to this massive barge rolling off the ways.
It gives you a sense of pride, I guess, because it's like, hey, us here, we built this. Like, it started at nothing, and we have something to show for it.
When that something you done it, and they say the quality is good, so that make me proud.
And I owe everything to Gunderson. It's made who I am today. I was, a foster child, and I didn't have nowhere to go right after high school. I took a helper position, cleaning out restroom, toilet, or lunchroom. The company that gave me an opportunity to show what we can do or what I can bring to the table. They paid for my schooling. I actually graduated as a machinist. 30 years later, I'm here now, training other new people here.
I'm probably a good example of you can make it. If you apply yourself, you learn, you use your talent. Went from a trainee all the way to superintendent in 40 years.
They've definitely been one of those companies that look out for employees. Harder you work, the more you get promoted and the more you advance. So it all comes down to attitude, pride in your work, and work ethic. I want to continue that whole mindset because that's what makes Gunderson what it is.
I've been in Gunderson for 4 years.
I've been here for a little over 4 years.
For 16 years.
I've been here 21 years.
I've been here for 30 years now.
It feels good to know that we've been around for so long and we're still here. And there's other companies, but people keep coming back knowing that you're going to get a quality product from us.